With that, I'll turn it over to Matthias, who is going to tell you a little bit more about the structure of this evening. And I definitely want to thank Jeff Wepley for putting this all together. Jeff runs the AI Meetup group, and without him, we wouldn't have had this tonight. So thank you very much. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Barbara, and thank you, Amazon, for sponsoring us here. Welcome, everyone, to the first Boston AI Meetup. The organizing team is Jeff Welpley, who is also our first speaker today, and myself, I'm Matthias. And just let me give you some background of who we are, who we want to be. Maybe let's start with the first overview about you guys. So just real quick, who of you would say that he's a software developer? Just raise the hand. It's a lot. Who of you would say that he's a product manager? Some of them, we can work on that. And who of you would say that you are working every day on AI? That's good, so there's a lot to learn. So how did this come together? So Jeff has been around in the meetup scene for a very long time. He's also running the Angular meetup. I'm here in Boston for almost 2 years, have visited a couple of meetups. We are very aware that there are meetups on various topics like machine learning meetups, meetups on probabilistic programming and whatnot. But we both at the same time found a need or maybe a niche for a meetup that is more on the application level of AI, where it's not necessarily about math or just about programming, but where it's about what things AI can do, how amazing it is, what people have achieved, what's going on in the local community about AI, and creating a meetup that is really suited for all the categories that I mentioned, like software developers, program managers, product managers, and everyone just interested in AI. Jeff and I didn't know each other before this meetup. We got magically connected in the Boston startup scene. We are both very excited about AI. We are both software developers working with AI in our jobs. And so we found that we have the power to put this together. We found 3 very exciting, great sponsors, the first being Amazon. We're also going to have meetups at Facebook, and we're going to have meetups at Kayak. We are going to have this to be as a regular meetup. It is meant to happen every month. So today is February. We have the next meetup lined up in March at the Kayak office, and we have the meetup after that lined up in April at the Facebook office, and we are trying to get into that schedule where we are meeting every month. It's really not only just about meeting here in that room. We also would like to have people meet outside of this room. That's why we created, for instance, a Slack team. And if you want to join that team, there is also a small webpage that we put up on bostonai.org, and you can invite yourself into our Slack team there. There's not so much happening right now, but we are hoping that there is more happening after today and in the upcoming meetups. And also what is important to say, and you will find it on our webpage, we are very interested in making this a community where people treat each other with respect and where everyone is welcome, independent of level of knowledge or anything you can imagine. If you are, I think it's easier to say if you read our code of conduct on our website. And I now don't want to hold you up more from our 3 talks that we got today. The first talk being, again, introducing him from Jeff. He's the organizer of the meetup together with me. He's the CTO of GetHuman. A lot of people know him already, JavaScript enthusiast. And he's now delivering his talk on the intro into the AI landscape.